Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on signals and system. Today we are going to find the convolution between two sequences using matrix method. So x of n is 1, 2, 3 and h of n is minus 1, 4 and 2. For these two sequences we are going to find the convolution. So generally the convolution is represented by y of n is equal to x of n star h of n. So for your matrix method, we need to find first the range of the two signals. Okay. So here x of n is 1, 2, 3. There is no arrow at all. Okay. So meaning that first value exists at n equal to 0. So whenever there is no arrow, we have to understand that arrow is at first value, meaning that this one exists at n equal to 0 and the second value exists at n equal to 1, third value exists at n equal to 2. So coming to the second sequence also there is no arrow, meaning that this value exists at n equal to 0, this exists at n equal to 1, this exists at n equal to 2. Okay. So we need to find the convolution between two signal. So we will get the new signal y of n. Okay. So first the range of x of n is 0 to 2. Similarly, the range of h of n is 0 to 2. So both the range of the signal is 0 to 2. In order to find out the range of new signal, that is the convoluted signal y of n, we need to add the minimum value of the range in both the signal and we need to add the maximum value which is available in both the signal. Okay. So we need to add the minimum value. So what is the minimum value? 0 plus 0. Okay. Up to add maximum value 2 plus 2. Okay. So I can say that the range of y of n is 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 to 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. So the range of x of n is 0 to 2, the range of h of n is 0 to 2, the range of new signal it is 0 to 4. So once you have determined that, now you can find out the convolution between both the signal by using a matrix method. So one sequence you can write in the vertical side, one sequence you can write in the horizontal side. So let me take x of n in the vertical side, h of n in the horizontal side. So here I can write x of n, here I can write h of n value. So x of n value is 1, 2, 3, h of n value is minus 1, 2. So whatever the values existing at the corresponding row and column, we have to multiply and write at the particular position. For example, here at this position the row value is 1, column value is minus 1. So multiply these two values. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 2 is 2. Similarly, at this position I have to consider this row value. Okay, so 2, corresponding column value is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 2 is 4. Similarly, at this position 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 4 is 12, 3 into 2 is 6. So once you have written all the values, we have to split the values diagonally. For example, we have to draw the line like this. So diagonally whatever the values available, those values we have to add. So the next diagonal value will be like this, then next this, next this. Okay. So when you see the range, right, 0 to 4. So the value exists at n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. So totally 5 values are there. So then you will have the number of elements in diagonally, it will be actually 1, then it will be increasing, 2 values will be there, then next 3 values will be there and it keep on decreasing, 2 values followed by 1. So here and here always one value will be there, So next value will be 2 values, next again here 2 value, then the next value will be 3. Okay. Suppose if I have 6 elements in y of n, okay, first one element will be there in first diagonal, then 2 elements, then 3 elements, again 3 elements, again 2 elements, again 1 element, like that it will be there. Okay. So suppose if you have any confusions while drawing the lines, you can remember these tips. Okay. So whatever the values available diagonally, all those values you have to add and you can find out the y of n. So y of n is given by, here only one element is available, that is -1. Then add these two values, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then again these 3 values we have to add, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. These two values add, so 12 plus 4 is 16. Then the last value is 6. Okay, so the range is 0 to 4. So the arrow will be at first value. Okay, so this is the convolution, final convolution. So you have to write the sequence like this. So y of n is given by -1, 2, 7, 16 and then 6. Thank you. Thanks for watching.